Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the Armod VPN app for a fast and secure web connection. If you're looking for a way to stay private online while enjoying a stable and encrypted internet connection, this method is perfect for you. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button, usually found in the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, select V2Ray slow DNS server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS for a more stable and secure connection. Next, you'll be taken to the server location selection page. Choose a location that is closest to you or one that offers the best performance. After selecting the location, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter a unique username, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click on Create Now. Within seconds, your V2Ray VMess server details will be generated and displayed. Make sure to copy the VMess server details for use in the next step. Now that we have our V2Ray VMess server, it's time to set it up on Armod VPN. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Armod VPN app installed on your device. If you don't have it yet, head over to the Google Play Store, search for Armod VPN, and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Armod VPN app. You'll see the app's home screen. Now, click on the three dots in the top corner to open the menu. From the menu, select the Clipboard button. This will automatically import the V2Ray VMess server details that we copied earlier. Once the server details are successfully imported, all that's left to do is click the play button to connect. And that's it! You are now successfully connected to your V2Ray VMess server on Armod VPN. Enjoy a fast, secure, and encrypted internet connection without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.